Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will look into a topic that concerns not just our environment but also food we eat. Guess what it is? It is the wastewater from food industries. We often enjoy delicious meals, right? But have you ever wondered about the journey of our food that takes from the farm to our plates? Well, it is a journey that generates a significant amount of wastewater. Before we begin, let's just explore the common types of food industries that produce massive amount of wastewater. From the busy kitchens of your favorite restaurants to large-scale food processing plants, there are several sectors in the food industry that generate substantial quantities of wastewater, like restaurants and fast food chains, meat processing plants, dairy production, bakeries, and this one may be the many people's favorite as well. You know what it is? Breweries. These are just a few examples, and each one of us has its unique wastewater challenges. As we progress through this video, we will look into the characteristics of the wastewater from each sector and the various methods and technologies used to treat and manage it. Some of the characteristics of wastewater produced from food industries are high organic content. Food industry wastewater typically contains a significant amount of organic matter, including fats, oils, proteins, and carbohydrates. These organic compounds are a result of food remains, cleaning processes, and food processing operations. The second one is suspended solids. Solid particles such as food particles, packaging material residues, and other particulate matter are often present in food industry wastewater. These solids can affect the clarity and quality of the water. The third one, the nutrients. Food industry wastewater may contain nutrients including nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients are essential for microbial growth but can lead to water pollution and eutrophication when released in excessive amounts into natural water bodies. Then comes the chemical additives. Various chemicals used in food processing, including cleaning agents, disinfectants, and food additives, can be found in wastewater. These chemicals can affect water quality and may require specialized treatment. Then comes the main pathogens. Depending on the type of food processing, wastewater may contain harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, virus, and parasites. Proper treatment is essential to eliminate pathogens and protect public health. Some of the advanced wastewater treatments from food industries are membrane filtration. This is an advanced treatment method that uses semi-permeable membranes with very fine pores to separate contaminants from wastewater. This process can effectively remove suspended solids, bacteria, virus, and other particles. Membrane filtration is particularly useful in food processing wastewater where fine solids and microorganisms may need to be removed. It is often used in dairy and beverage processing, as well as fruit and vegetable processing facilities. The types of this kind of filtrations are microfiltration, which is effective in removing suspended solids and bacteria, ultrafiltration, which removes smaller particles and some macromolecules, nanofiltration, effective in removing divalent ions and some organic matter. The second treatment method is ozonization. Ozonization involves the use of ozone, a powerful oxidizing agent, to break down and remove organic and inorganic contaminants in wastewater. Ozone is generated on site and introduced into the wastewater, where it reacts with various pollutants and disinfects the water. It is used in the food industry to address specific wastewater challenges, such as removal of color, odor, and refractory organic compounds. It can be especially effective in the treatment of effluents from meat and poultry processing, wineries, and the dairy industries. Biological nutrient removal (BNR). It is an advanced biological treatment process designed to remove excess nitrogen and phosphorus from wastewater. It typically involves two or more biological stages and the use of specific microbial communities to convert nitrogen and phosphorus into less harmful forms. BNR is essential in the food industry to reduce nutrient discharge into natural water bodies, therefore, by preventing eutrophication. Facilities involved in the processing of meat, fish, and dairy products often need BNR to meet stringent environmental regulations. Now, let's see how responsible management of food processing wastewater can contribute to achieving specific sustainable development goals. Proper wastewater management prevents contamination of water resources, which ensures cleaner and safer water for all. It supports SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation, by protecting water quality and reducing the risk of waterborne diseases and preventing aquatic ecosystems. Next comes the zero hunger. Sustainable wastewater management safeguards agricultural resources by reducing pollution risk, ensuring safer irrigation water. This supports the Sustainable Development Goal 2 by contributing to food security and access to uncontaminated food. Then comes the good health and well being. Responsible wastewater treatment eliminates pathogens, making water sources safer for consumption and recreation. It aligns with SDG 3 by reducing the risk of waterborne diseases and supporting public health. The last one is responsible consumption and production. Sustainable wastewater management promotes efficient water and resource use, reducing waste and environmental impact. It supports SDG 12 by encouraging sustainable production practices and responsible consumptions.